Hey everyone, and welcome to Elementor Web Forward 2025. I'm Ziv, and I'm thrilled to have you here for this brand new yearly event where we share our vision for the upcoming year and highlight how we're evolving to meet your needs. At Elementor, we're constantly working to provide you with the tools and capabilities that help you build your business and thrive. This past year has been huge, and it's all thanks to you. Together, you've created nearly 3 million new websites, bringing Elementor's reach to over 18 million websites. That's a whopping 11.8% of the entire internet. On top of that, you've optimized 75 million images with Image Optimizer, made over 6.5 million AI requests, sent over 650,000 emails with SiteMailer, and migrated thousands of websites to Elementor Hosting. I just want to take a moment to raise a glass and say cheers to you. You're the reason Elementor keeps growing, evolving, and helping turn your ideas into reality. Now, before we dive into what's next, I want to take a moment to shout out to our amazing community. You are truly the heartbeat of Elementor, and I couldn't be more excited to share some of our milestones with you. This year, we launched our official Discord server, and it's already growing with over 2,000 active users. Inside, you'll meet Ella Mentor, our community-created AI moderator, translator, and support engineer driven by your creativity. On Facebook, we had a huge milestone with 150,000 members, making it one of the most vibrant web creator communities out there. And most importantly, your feedback has helped shape everything we've built last year, from Send and Image Optimizer to the new Hello Biz theme, SiteMailer, and beyond. You've helped us create tools that web creators truly love. Thank you for being part of this journey, and now let's dive into what's next for Elementor. So to kick us off, let's go to a special guest appearance from Amitai, Elementor's Chief Product Officer, who will take us behind the scenes of our 2025 strategic planning and share our compelling vision that drives every product decision we make.
In 2016, our vibrant ecosystem was full of possibilities. Like many of you, we were web creators, building sites every day, cobbling together our own solutions and workflows. It was exciting, but it was also challenging. The kind of challenges every growing industry faces. We'd spend nights customizing themes, tweaking plugins, finding creative workarounds just to deliver what our clients needed. We started Elementor because we lived this reality every day. And while the creative freedom was exhilarating, the day-to-day struggles made it almost impossible to build a sustainable business. We knew there had to be a better way, not just to build websites, but to create tools that professionals could confidently build their future on. That vision has led to something remarkable. Over 18 million websites, each representing someone's dream, business, or creative expression. What started as a solution for our own challenges has become a platform that empowers web creators worldwide to build stronger, more sustainable businesses. Let me share with you how we are making this a reality through every phase of your journey as a web creator. With dedicated teams and resources focused on each stage of your journey, we are there for you, from building your site to running it day to day and to growing it into a successful and thriving business. First, there's Build. At its heart is the editor, the tool that started it all. For 8 years, Elementor's editor pushed the boundaries of web creation, providing you with unmatched flexibility and speed. It's become the go-to builder for everything from personal blogs to Fortune 500 websites, from local businesses to global brands. And while we've continuously enhanced its capabilities and performance, we knew that to make the next leap, we needed to think bigger. That's why we're now rebuilding many of our core editor's components from the ground up. We're building upon years of experience and insights from millions of websites, combining our battle-tested code with next-gen technology and modern design principles. We're setting a new standard for professional web creation. Faster, more intuitive, with clean code and advanced capabilities designed for professionals. Then there's Elementor Hosting, another fundamental piece of the build phase. And in spite of a rocky start, our infrastructure's team's effort have positioned Elementor Hosting among the leading providers in core Web Vitals performance. And it will only get better from here. And there's more. AI is already transforming how we build for the web, from initial concept to final launch, generative models and AI-based automation are revolutionizing every aspect of website development. Elementor has been at the forefront of bringing these innovations directly to you through Elementor AI. And today, we're excited to introduce our new AI Site Planner, the latest addition to our AI-powered toolkit, which brings the power of AI into the ideation, planning, and wireframing processes that takes place before you drag your first widgets or choose your first style. But building a website is just the beginning of the journey. Once a site goes live, that's when the real work starts. Optimizing performance, managing updates, and ensuring everything runs smoothly day after day. This is where the run phase comes in. And with insights from over 18 million websites and our vibrant community, we've learned that the run phase needs the same strategic focus and robust solutions just like build. That's why we developed Image Optimizer, now optimizing millions of images each month across nearly 1 million sites. And SiteMailer, which ensures that your critical client communications don't end up in spam. And there's more coming soon. Our upcoming accessibility solution will help you create more accessible and inclusive websites and make the world a better place all at the same time. Finally, there's Grow, because a great website is just the beginning of a business success story. And that's where Send comes in. Our powerful new solution, built specifically for WordPress, helps you maximize the potential of WooCommerce sites. It amplifies your communication capabilities across multiple channels, including email and SMS, to better connect with your customers. These tools represent more than features. They reflect our understanding that your ultimate goal is building a sustainable, thriving business. Every feature we build, every improvement we make is fueled by a simple truth. Your success is our success. When you grow, we grow. You're not just our community, you're our compass. And together, we're not just building websites, we're building the platform for the future of the web, one page at a time. Thank you for being part of this journey. Now let's see what extraordinary things we can build together next.
Thanks, Amitai. Now let's take a look at what's on the agenda for today. First up, we'll hear from Miriam, who will update us on Elementor's contributions to the WordPress ecosystem and share some exciting improvements coming to Elementor Hosting. Next, Sav will introduce Elementor's brand new Hello Biz theme. After that, Christina will give us an exclusive first look at the new AI Site Planner and explain how Elementor AI is going to continue transforming the way we build websites. Then, Ben will join us to talk about a new accessibility tool we're developing to improve website usability for everyone. Following that, Barak will introduce Send by Elementor, our new email and SMS platform tailored for WooCommerce success. And last but not least, Roy will share some big news about the editor. This is an update you won't want to miss. So here we go. Miriam, let's hear about Elementor and WordPress.
Over the course of 2024, we at Elementor continue to demonstrate our commitment to WordPress, the open source project and ecosystem that our products are built for. The year started out strong with us expanding our contribution to WordPress by sponsoring a member of the plugin review team, in addition to our ongoing sponsor contributor to the Impactful Performance team. We also became proud donors to the WordPress Foundation, which is a nonprofit arm that supports important educational activity like WordCamps. Speaking of WordCamps, as usual, we showed up strong for the 3 flagship WordCamp events, WordCamp Asia, Europe, and US, as high-level sponsors, speakers, and side event organizers. We love meeting all of you and the rest of the community at these events and appreciate the opportunity to bring people together for good experiences. In addition to the 3 flagship events, we also expanded our support for global WordCamps by sponsoring and attending an additional 10 conferences, including in Sydney, Cape Town, Delhi, Canada, Sylhet, Rome, and more. Along with our booths and swag, we were glad for the opportunity to share our knowledge with you by speaking at some of these events as well. Thanks to our open channels of communication with WordPress products and users, we were able to collaborate with others in the industry on a number of initiatives throughout the year to ensure our shared mutual users are getting the best experience possible from our products. As the year drew to an end, we expanded our contribution to WordPress even further with a new full-time contributor to the WordPress theme review team. Overall, 2024 was a year of continuing to expand and grow our support for WordPress, and we look forward to continuing these efforts in 2025. Now, in many ways, hosting is the backbone of the WordPress industry. Every WordPress site, including those built with Elementor, must be hosted somewhere. As a result, WordPress, Elementor, and hosting go hand in hand. A few years ago, we launched Elementor Hosting, and it has come a long way. As we are nearing our 3rd birthday, we couldn't be happier. Today, Elementor Hosting is fast and robust enough for any web creator, whether you're just getting started or you have been building high-scale websites for years. Your website visitor's experience is our North Star, and we invest a lot of effort to keep raising the hosting bar. And we're on the right trajectory, as you can see from our great Core Web Vitals scores that measure how actual people experience their sites on Elementor, fast and performant. Many of you are already benefiting from what Elementor Hosting has to offer. Over the course of 2024, we welcomed tens of thousands of new sites. Some clients even migrated their entire 100+ site portfolios over to us. Our experts were happy to help with the migration, for free, of course. Thanks to our new e-commerce plans, we have more stores than ever. And while they could have proven challenging to support during the rush of Black Friday traffic, we are thrilled to report that our auto-scaling hosting handled the traffic peaks effortlessly, with 0 performance incidents. Everything was smooth sailing. All of the above has led to our ever-rising satisfaction metrics. We're currently a 4.6 out of 5 in customer satisfaction surveys, and our Trustpilot score increased to 4.8 out of 5. Customers appreciate how our all-in-one support handles hosting and builder-related questions. Oh, and our 50-second average first response time doesn't hurt either. There's never been a better time to try Elementor Hosting, whether you host one site or hundreds. See for yourself why it's the ultimate hosting platform for your Elementor sites. We're confident you won't regret it. When we were brainstorming ideas for taking our hosting to the next level in 2025, several key focus areas floated to the top of everyone's lists. First, security. The security landscape is changing, including more sophisticated threats and AI-based tools that can circumvent traditional security. We are going to invest considerable time and resources to ensure Elementor Hosting is ready for this new security landscape. Secondly, Elementor was built for web creators like you. Many of you shared with us, both in one-on-one interviews and in surveys, what your ideal hosting should include. We heard you loud and clear, and we'll be launching new plans and products based on your valuable feedback very soon. If there's one thing we want to convey with our plans for 2025, it's that no other hosting is as focused on web creators as we are. We'll release functionality to help you work more efficiently, streamline client communication, and scale your business. These new features will be launched throughout the year, with the first batch coming in Q1. In the next few months, we'll make it even easier for you to migrate your website to Elementor Hosting and receive actionable insights for improving your site along its journey. We will also streamline your onboarding, whether it's your first or 100th site, and continue bringing you the best Elementor has to offer. So as I said earlier, between all the new things coming to Elementor Hosting and our best-in-class offering, you'll miss out if you don't give it a try. And our 30-day money-back guarantee makes it a no-brainer. Speaking of new things, one of the best ways to get started with Elementor Hosting in 2025 will be by using our newly launched Hello Biz WordPress theme. We'll hear more about that from Sar next.
Many of you know our Hello theme. It's one of the most popular themes on the WordPress repository. Downloaded over 6,000 times per day. That's a new website every 15 seconds. Oh my God! Its success comes from being exactly what professional web creators need, a lightweight, clean canvas for unlimited creativity. But it may present a bit of a learning curve for those who are new to WordPress and Elementor. That's why this month we're excited to introduce the next chapter in the Hello theme journey. Hello Biz, a free theme specifically designed to help business owners and newer web creators build professional websites in an easier way than ever before. Hello Biz, already available in the WordPress theme repository, comes packed with features that streamline your website process. An intuitive onboarding wizard that gets you started in a minute. 9 professional website kits with more coming throughout 2025. A home dashboard, one dedicated place where you can easily view and set up your main website components. Seamless and intuitive header and footer customization, making it easier than ever before to present a professional and pixel-perfect header and footer for your website. As well as powerful Hello widgets that simplify how your website is built, and more of those soon. Let me show you just how simple it is to get started. First, let's start with a fresh WordPress installation. Navigate to Appearance, Themes, search for Hello Biz, install, and activate. You'll notice a welcome banner appear. Click Begin Setup. As you can see, This is a 3-step wizard. We've narrowed it down to what you need to get started as fast as possible. Next, we'll choose a kit. And just like that, you have a complete professional website. We can click to see a preview and make sure that everything looks as expected. Perfect. Now, let's click on Customize My Site to get to the Home dashboard. Here on the Home dashboard, you'll find quick links and other important shortcuts to manage your website. Under Recent Pages, I'll click to customize the homepage. Looking at a homepage, you might think this hero section uses multiple elements, a heading, button, and an image. But, and here's the catch, it's all one unified widget. Instead of juggling 3 separate elements, you have one intuitive control center. Below the hero section, we have our call to action widget. Looking at the panel, it also has a heading, paragraph text, smart button management with an easy secondary button toggle, spacing and alignment options, everything in one place. Next, the zigzag. We've taken inspiration from popular website designs to create this flexible content layout widget. With the zigzag widget, you can choose between images, icons, add multiple sections easily, and switch layouts from left to right with one click. Perfect for right-to-left support. Now let's jump over to the contact page to see our Form Light widget. We've built this to eliminate the need for additional plugins while maintaining perfect design coherence. It's a great form solution that feels native to Elementor. Hello Biz is just the beginning. It's the first of several new additions planned for the Hello family in 2025. And as I mentioned, Hello Biz is already available in the WordPress theme repository. To get started, simply search for Hello Biz in the WordPress theme repository, download and activate, and begin creating your professional website in minutes. We can't wait to see what amazing websites you'll create with Hello Biz. But we're not stopping there. Our next innovation is set to streamline your workflow and transform the way you plan and design your website. Let's go to Christina and hear what Elementor AI has in store for 2025.
I'm thrilled to share a glimpse of the future of web creation and how Elementor AI will empower you to achieve extraordinary things in 2025. We're deeply invested in AI's ability to transform web creation, simplifying workflows, enhancing collaboration, and unlocking new creative possibilities. We know that as web professionals, tight deadlines, accurately scoping out complex projects, and the pressure to stay innovative are constant challenges. That's why Elementor AI enables you to focus on what you do best, building exceptional websites. Elementor AI will continue to rapidly evolve to ensure the capabilities we provide you with are effective, powerful, and intuitive. In the coming months, you'll see advancements that streamline workflows, reduce revisions, and accelerate client approvals. Looking at 2025, we're taking things a step further with an AI assistant in your WordPress workflow. This assistant will accompany you throughout your website, providing you with contextual assistance where and when you need it. As an intelligent assistant, it is contextual and proactive, offering real-time support. This can be helpful for generating ideas, creating content, refining designs, surfacing insights, proposing optimizations, and so much more. But today, I want to share something truly special with you. We understand the complexity of early-stage website planning. Even for seasoned professionals, transforming a strategic vision into a coherent site structure requires careful balance between client needs, business goals, and visitor experience. From defining the vision to organizing ideas, it is a process that demands both creativity and precision. That's why we've created the AI Site Planner, your AI-powered partner for website planning designed by professionals for professionals, helping you reach a first draft faster than ever before. Site Planner simplifies planning by offering clarity, structure, and the tools rooted in industry best practices that also help you to align with your clients from the start. It streamlines your workflow, supports better communication with your client, and helps you deliver exceptional websites faster. With Site Planner, you can create professionally structured briefs, visual sitemaps, and wireframes in just minutes. Literally minutes. This makes it easier than ever to communicate and ensure alignment with your client right from the beginning. Now, this isn't about AI building a website for you. Creating a professional website still requires your expertise in the driver's seat. Site Planner is here to guide and support you through the planning process and help lay the foundation for a clear, well-structured first draft. So here's how it works. Site Planner begins by collecting your website's vision and goals. It can gather this information through a guided AI conversation that asks you thoughtful questions about your web project, helping you to explore your site's purpose, structure, and your goals in greater depth. Alternatively, it can work from a brief that you upload, or, and here's where it gets truly remarkable, it can take notes during a client conversation. Yes, with the introduction of a Google Meet integration, Site Planner becomes your ultimate assistant. It attends your client discussions, capturing key details in near real time and transforms them into project briefs ready to work with. Now, this feature isn't just a convenience, it streamlines collaboration and ensures no detail is ever missed. And for those of you using other platforms, don't worry. Zoom integrations are soon on their way. So once you finish with the brief, Elementor AI generates a customized sitemap that's easy to refine. You are in full control to add, remove, or move sections around within the page, as well as dive into individual sections to make adjustments. If required, you can also create additional pages at this time. So next comes the wireframe stage. Site Planner generates high-fidelity wireframes with AI-generated content tailored to your client's business and connects to global styles. This gives you a solid foundation to build on, and with the flexibility to fine-tune styling to match your project's brand. Now, while you're reviewing your visual wireframe, you can easily regenerate layouts for fresh design options that meet your needs. When you're ready, simply click Create Website to bring it into Elementor. From there, you can use Elementor's drag and drop interface, advanced features, and creative tools to fine-tune the design and add your unique creative touches. With Site Planner, you can present clients with a realistic preview of their website, complete with relevant content and layout suggestions. This helps clients visualize the final product, provide actionable feedback, and feel confident in your vision. And we're not stopping there. Multi-language support is already available, allowing you to type in left to right languages such as Spanish, French, German, while still receiving the output in English. Looking ahead in 2025, Site Planner will evolve with more exciting new features. Soon you'll see integrations with WooCommerce, automatically creating essential pages such as My Account, Cart, and Checkout. We'll also expand multi-language support to include output in the same language you write in, as well as support for languages written from right to left, like Arabic or Hebrew. On top of all of that, we're working on adding more layout options for every component, giving you even greater creative freedom. The future of web design is collaborative, it's intuitive, and it's AI-powered. I'm happy to share that Site Planner is available now for all of you to use. Just scan the QR code to get started. We're incredibly grateful to everyone who test drove Site Planner and shared valuable feedback. Your feedback helps shape this tool for all web creators. And as always, we're eager to hear your thoughts and suggestions as we continue to shape the future of web creation. And as we continue to innovate, we're committed to making web creation more inclusive. That's why our next focus is on accessibility, ensuring that every website you create can be enjoyed by everyone. Let's go to Ben.
Your journey goes beyond just building websites. As Amitai mentioned earlier, websites also need to run effectively. With plugins like Image Optimizer to enhance performance and SiteMailer to ensure reliable email deliverability, we're constantly addressing the challenges you face as web creators. In 2024, Elementor made significant progress in enhancing accessibility in the editor, incorporating improvements into each of our 8 version releases. As we enter 2025, accessibility is more than a technical upgrade. It's a professional and legal requirement. With the European Accessibility Act coming into effect this year, the need for accessible website experiences has become a critical responsibility. Ensuring accessibility isn't just about meeting regulations. It's about fostering equity and inclusivity in the digital world. This year, we're taking our commitment to accessibility to the next level. Our goal is to provide you with easy-to-use tools that make building inclusive, accessible websites more seamless than ever. I'm thrilled to share a sneak peek of an accessibility plugin we've been working on. This tool lets you integrate key accessibility features into your websites, helping you create more inclusive and compliant experiences. With capabilities like adjustable text sizes, high contrast modes, grayscale options, and enhanced readability, this widget empowers you to deliver a more accessible journey for all users. Of course, an accessibility widget is a great start, but it's not the full solution to making your websites accessible. We're already working on the next set of tools to help you take those steps with confidence. Stay tuned for what's coming next. Accessibility isn't just a feature, it's a responsibility. Everyone deserves equal access to the web, and as web creators, we have the power to make that vision a reality. Speaking of empowering your work, let's shift to a new tool designed to help you grow your business and build stronger relationships with your clients. Barak is now going to share how we're bringing powerful marketing capabilities directly into every website you build, making it easier than ever to expand your offerings.
Up until now, we've showcased innovative tools for professional web creators like yourself. Elementor has seamlessly become part of your day-to-day workflow, helping you build your business and expand your offering. Let me take you back to the moment you first discovered Elementor Editor. Remember the thrill of creating something extraordinary? The power to build beautiful, functional websites that didn't just work, they elevated your career, your business, and your potential. Today, I'm here to share an exciting upcoming opportunity from Elementor. It's time to stop just building websites and start building successful, thriving businesses. Your clients don't just want a website. They want results, loyal customers, repeat purchases, and sustainable growth. Let me introduce you to a new product that's about to change the world of web creators. Just like Elementor transformed your professional journey when you started creating stunning websites and stores. This new product will take you even further. I'm thrilled to introduce Send, the ultimate tool to ignite engagement, drive recurrent revenue, and transform every interaction into a lasting relationship. Send is our new all-in-one communication toolkit designed to equip every website and store with the powerful capabilities and features needed to accelerate customer communication, build stronger relationships, and drive retention. Built from the ground up with WordPress top of mind, Send is crafted to empower web creators like you to achieve more effortlessly. Send unlocks new revenue streams for your business, helping you expand your offering far beyond just building websites. It allows you to offer your customers an entirely new service, delivering greater value in every future WooCommerce store you build. Send isn't just another marketing platform, it's your new secret advantage. A WordPress-first, WooCommerce-ready email and SMS solution designed specifically for web creators like you. With Send, you don't need to be a marketeer, content writer, or technical wizard. We've equipped you with everything you need to deliver incredible value effortlessly. Over the past year, we've had countless conversations with you to uncover what truly adds value to your role as a web creator, and what will empower you to grow the incredible business you've built with Elementor and create recurring revenue streams with your clients. One of the most impactful ways to support your clients and build relationships is by delivering their business growth. Because what's more essential than helping them with email and SMS marketing to build a loyal customer base? We weren't surprised to hear time and time again that email and SMS marketing feels complex, especially since none of the existing platforms were built from the ground up specifically for WordPress or designed to work seamlessly with WooCommerce. And that's exactly why we created Send, the most intuitive, easy-to-use email and SMS marketing solution designed to offer your clients valuable service and boost their growth. We challenge ourselves to keep things simple and intuitive as we were doing with the editor, so you can deliver real results to your customers with a single tool, often in just one click. From WooCommerce and form integration to customizing your domain, uploading and managing contact lists, segmenting and growing your audience, and so much more. It's all in one place, and yes, it's really that simple. How simple? Let's take a look at a few key actions to get you started within minutes. Getting started with Send is as simple as it gets. With just one click, you can connect your WooCommerce store. Instantly, Send will fetch all your past orders, customers, and products. From that point, Send's dashboard gives you a clear overview of your store's performance, including total revenue, number of orders, and sales, generated with Send, all in one place. Next, connecting your existing forms is simple. In just a few clicks, you can link all your forms and every submission will automatically be saved into Send's database. This means you can engage with those leads and turn them into loyal customers. Have a contact list you want to upload? No problem. Head over to Contacts page and import your file. Our AI-powered importer does the work for you. No data mapping needed. Just click Import and you're ready to go. Want to set up best practices automations to engage with your customers? It's just as easy. Go to Campaigns, select Templates, and choose what works for you, like order confirmations and abundant carts. In minutes, you'll have Send up and running, ready to work for you. Send is designed to make setup simple, fast, and hassle-free. We invite you to apply for Send's Early Access program. Selected participants will receive a free paid package for 1 year, giving you a unique opportunity to help shape the product. To apply, scan the QR code on the screen and complete a quick questionnaire. Be thorough in your answers to help us determine if you're a good fit for Send. Don't miss your chance to join our exclusive team and help shape the future of WordPress marketing. Together, we'll create something amazing. Now, let's turn our attention to the heart of Elementor, our editor. Roy, over to you.
Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the next chapter of Elementor's evolution. But before we reveal what's in store for 2025, let's take a moment to reflect on some of the editor's key milestones. Since launching in 2016, Elementor has transformed the way WordPress websites are created. What began as a revolutionary page builder quickly evolved into a comprehensive website builder. From introducing the theme builder, WooCommerce builder, and marketing features like the form and pop-up builder back in 2018 and 2019, to launching the design system approach in 2020, each milestone expanded the possibilities for web creators. Recent years brought game-changing features like Flexbox containers, the loop builder, mega menu, and other nested elements, all while maintaining our focus on performance and conversion optimization. Now, after 8 transformative years, we've reached a pivotal moment. The editor, which has always been the heart of Elementor, is ready for its next evolution. While our current framework served us well, we recognize that delivering certain advanced features such as CSS classes required a bold step forward. That's why we're introducing a completely modernized infrastructure, built on 3 core principles. First, the code will be clean and optimized to create efficient and fast-loading websites. Second, we're focused on delivering professional features and capabilities to make sure you can elevate your craft. And third, we're making sure it's extensible by setting a foundation that will power the future of web creation for years to come. As we introduce new features, we also remember the responsibility we have towards over 18 million websites and counting. Making this type of infrastructural change is complicated, and we're taking every necessary measure to ensure we introduce it gradually. I'm proud to present Editor V4, a reimagined editor designed to transform the way you create. Editor V4 is more than just a new version, it's a complete reimagining of how you build websites. This transformation rests on 3 foundational approaches that will streamline and improve your workflow. For the building blocks, we'll have atomic elements, a modular architecture where every component from heading to button to image is built on a unified codebase. At the core, we'll build a CSS-oriented design system, a professional-grade approach that brings exceptional web standards and advanced styling capabilities to your fingertips. And all of this will be facilitated with a modernized user experience, a streamlined interface that combines power with intuition, designed for modern web creation. Let's dive in to understand what this looks like. Starting from atomic components. Think of atomic components as the DNA of modern web design. Every heading, image, button, and interactive element is an atom, built on a unified codebase, ensuring pixel-perfect consistency across your projects, with every atom maintaining style options and consistent behavior throughout your website. And atoms can also be assembled into components, which are pre-built assemblies of atoms working together in harmony. Okay, I know this is starting to sound like a chemistry lesson, but don't worry, I'm still talking about the web. Let me explain. Basically, atoms ensure a uniform experience both visually and in its code. Same button, same codebase, same styles. And most importantly, with this architectural transformation, you'll also get an updated style tab that unifies your design workflow. And with it, you'll experience perfect consistency across all design elements, streamlined styling controls that scale effortlessly, and a foundation ready for advanced features and integrations. Same style tab for all. We've engineered this infrastructure not just for today's challenges, but for the future of web development. Every atomic component is optimized for performance, designed for scale, and built to evolve with your needs. The second fundamental update in Elementor v4 is its professional-grade, CSS-oriented design system. You've been waiting for CSS Classes for a while, but we're taking it a step further, because at the heart of the system is a unified styling architecture. Let's start with variables. With this approach, you can create and manage global style settings across your entire website, including global fonts, global colors, sizes, and more. Then, we have one of your most requested features, CSS Classes. You'll be able to create custom classes that define complex styling patterns and apply them anywhere in your website with a single click. For example, you'll be able to create a reusable CSS class for primary CTA buttons across your website that has a specific shade of blue, rounded corners, a subtle hover animation, precise padding. Want to update the style of every CTA button across your site? One change to your CSS class definition, and it's done, maintaining perfect consistency while dramatically reducing maintenance time. Elementor v4 also introduces Pseudo-Class support, giving you granular control over interactive states and allowing you to define hover animations, focus states, and active styles visually. That means that aside from creating a CSS class that affects the visual aspect of every element, you can also now manage how elements behave across your website. In the current version with the current styling options, you can control states only in certain elements and in specific parts. But with v4, you'll be able to control all style properties in all states. The CSS-oriented approach doesn't just save time, it transforms how you build. Your design system becomes a living style guide, ensuring brand consistency and accelerating development across every website you tackle. And lastly, we're introducing a modernized, more intuitive user experience that also reflects all the upcoming updates in the editor, starting from the canvas. Elementor v4 improves drag-and-drop interactions and introduces multi-select capabilities and inline editing, helping streamline and accelerate your workflow. We're also improving responsive settings. Going forward, every styling option will be responsive by default from its initial foundation, meaning every property in the Style tab will be responsive. So today you have this icon on certain properties, and it indicates that the element can be modified responsively. However, with Elementor v4, this icon will disappear because all controls will be responsive by default. So you'll be able to adjust everything per device, including text color. And to support the new capabilities in the editor, you'll also get a new editor structure that will improve navigation and orientation and ensure all these features are comfortably and intuitively accessible. So, now that you know the principles by which we are building Elementor v4, let's talk about how it will be rolled out. The foundation for this project was established throughout 2024, paving the way for a thoughtful rollout of the new editor starting in the second quarter of 2025. You'll see new editor features becoming available on your website, but don't worry. These will be opt-in, giving you complete control over when to adopt them. The new Elementor v4 components are designed to work harmoniously with the current editor, preserving the integrity of your existing websites. With our phased rollout approach, you can explore and implement these enhanced capabilities at your own pace, ensuring a natural evolution of your website development process. Throughout the year, we'll provide regular updates on our progress and let you know as new features become available. Now, as you begin experiencing these new features, please provide any feedback you may have on GitHub, so we can be sure to review and address your comments and suggestions. Your feedback is always incredibly important for us, but even more now during this sensitive process. We're committed to keeping you informed every step of the way, and we can't wait to share more with you as this unfolds. Thank you so much. Now, back to you, Ziv.
Thanks, Roy. Can't wait for the exciting updates coming to the editor in 2025. And we're just getting started. 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year with new features, powerful products, and faster performance, and an improved user experience.
Elementor Hosting will continue to help you seamlessly start up your online business in minutes with everything you need to launch and manage a successful website all in one place.
With Hello Biz, you'll be able to simplify your website building experience and save valuable time using professionally designed kits and purpose-built Hello widgets.
Editor v4 will introduce a modernized editor, unparalleled performance and flexibility with atomic components and a CSS-oriented design system.
We're working on improving accessibility, developing innovative solutions to craft inclusive, seamless website experiences for every user.
The AI Site Planner will improve your professional workflow, boost your creativity, and save you time by generating professional briefs, sitemaps, and wireframes in minutes.
Send by Elementor will turn your website into a thriving business with an all-in-one marketing solution.
It all comes together to empower you throughout every part of your journey. Build, run, and grow, so you can create sophisticated, thriving, and sustainable businesses.
And that's a wrap for Web Forward 2025. A big thanks to all our speakers, Amitai, Miriam, Sav, Christina, Ben, Barak, and Roy, for sharing their incredible updates and exciting innovations they're bringing to life with the entire Elementor team. And of course, thank you all for joining us and for trusting Elementor and for being such an integral part of our amazing community. Remember, everything we've shared with you today, the features, updates, and new products, has been guided by our core belief: your success fuels ours. And just like Amitai said at the start of this event, together, we're not just building websites, we're building the future of the web one page at a time. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to reach out with any questions, feedback, or ideas, whether it's here on YouTube, in our Facebook community, LinkedIn, or GitHub. Your input is what drives us forward. Thanks again for being with us. We can't wait to see what you create next. Ciao for now.